indlalifa ngumfana nkasana isunu ngubani indlalifa
Ndio matoka. Ngikole. So nifuna ngilishela ukuthi ngangena mina ndasukuma lo.
You woke us up early, we did all those duties, we're tired.
Duties? I'm from doing a survey right now. And there's nothing that is in correct order. What was that?
I was taking some... No, I was...
I mean, I think you could write in your Kadisa, right? Yeah. You never find my villain. From today, things will change. We're going to swap duties. Sazonan. I'll find it up for my vision. Leah Zaba. Masinya. Elfina Vaya. Vaya. Yeah, right.
Huh? Squint. That was just so you explained yourself, Pep.
4 is easy. 5 will confuse Aunt.
What about Uzamuki? Huh? Samba. Elfina. Vaya. Squint. Right. Leah, Uzavambani. Samba. Zamba Uzavambani. Leah. Elfina Uzavambani. Vaya. Right. Then Vaya Uzavambani. Elfina. Then Squint Zamba.
Mani mnatenguri ya hii.
Mbona nalo? No, malume singadini there.
Okay, fine. Kuthi Squint ke wona kuza ngene ngo-Elfina.
Hayi malume antolithe khona khona mina ngibe loba ngiletha le-calculator si-calculator libone.
Malume, yabo lapha uzithi balance kuhle. So ufuna la lingeni. Kuhle ube 442 malume.
Wona fine. Athi no pemba nje.
Malume.
Fine. Let's go back to Squint's plan. Wena sakuphela wakho umsebenzi.
indlalifa
Now beg abantwana abahlanya the way. Lonyaka I'm the man of the year. Back in the city they know I'm the man.
With my hair, I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I whisk my hair back and forth. I whisk my hair back and forth. I whisk my waist back and forth. I whisk my hair back and forth. I whisk my sikastra.
Kanjona? Uzani?
Malume.
Usingikotsha no?
Ngikuthi malume mina ngikwazi ukuthi uliya uyabesenza. Usually uyabe selfie kumbe uyabesenza.
Keeper.
Vele ngicleaner ikuthi lokho malume kuchithekile ngithe ngicleaner lapha kwachithe kwagqa lonke indawo sokungcolisa.
Zam. Keep into zakho lezi zenkotsha lezi emsebenzini manje. Khathesi so.
Cleaner malume. So ku clean.
Wena mntwana. Uyenze Elfina?
Ah, malume. Ah, malume. Ngitholithe sizenze ubaya. Bese ngikhohle umdobisi.
Angizange ngidoba ngobaya mina. I was talking about his duties.
Malume phela licacanga phela. Mina sengize ngibhizi kuna licacanga malume.
I was referring to the duties when I spoke up. How? Akutshintsha lapho khipha idoti le uqasa ukusebenza lapho.
Nginceda ngoma phenda ke sengibamba khona apha malume.
Ugqokela umsandi kabaya wena. Le msandi Elvin. Khipha. Bisa lapha igwalele. Khipha idoti yakho le. Shwai.
Negging malume. It means
Iwethe kuphela wena mfana ngiyayenza nemini ngona ukona.
flawless.
Bana mfana, le mini bamba la endingini.
But Uncle, you just said.
What about?
Okay, guys, let me pray. God bless us. We are about to drink food. Amen.
Kusani? Wena mfana, kuyini?
Malume, ngifaka uchago phela lemon.
OMG.
Kamu le lemon. Ekile one.
Bakumele ufake isawudo man.
Kufanele isawudo ngilifakile.
Uncle, where are you going?
Toilet wena asiye. Angila zadle ezi 3, right?
I can't survive, chef. Man.
Uyabona thina sisehara. Sise-Russia. Yabona sise-Russia ngalana.
Hayi. Vele bengingamanga lithi langa litshona ungakhuluma ngezitori zakho zamanga lezi.
Awusekele thina. Malume is already stressing us.
Azi umalume uyasidelela. Ikuyini manje so?
Yakwazi umalume lo. Ufuna ukuthiwa yi-1 nje. Awuthi ngempama ngiyakutshela.
Yabona wena, unengqondo zegazi wena. Yabona umalume samshaya, uyasihlonipha.
I support your idea. Yabona ufuna umuntu olesibili.
Awungawali madam. Uyabona mi? Hayi, but mina ukuthi ngiblind kakhulu isakukanya ukuthi ke okuhle kuyacintsha lokho.
Hayi yabona umalume ufuna. Umalume ufuna usemshaya isigasi. Mina ngizamqalisa nale bese liyi.
Hayi ungavele khona kubambi kangeni nga. Hayi khangela ngapha umfana lo kade ngisimrelisi.
Awudobe mfana.
Umalume bafana wayengowe character. Vamos lá, vamos.
On les a tous. Le sport, c'est un sport. C'est un sport. Yes.
Indlalifa. Indlalifa.
Okay, guys, wake up. Okay, guys, we need to have a short meeting.
Chairman meeting. Sisiya nalisa sivulela lo mthandazwana and then vaya uzabhala konke kade sikhuluma ku meeting le Clearland and then Elvina uzasiqinela lapha singaqhela konke ku-dust la.
Kanti wena, wayimemele indlela ifenza into eyi-1.
Vele unesasaphi sami? Squinty, what's up?
Mina vele ngiyampangisa. Ngiyampangisa mina ngaphandle nalokho kwenzana namamisho.
Guys, Malume is just being too much on us. And the food cleaner too, there was aliens, futhi emsebenzini yenu. Ngapha futhi balitshitshenisa nabantu abe-useless. Hayi, ngiyabona.
Nani wevele njengani mina sengidingishe my cat.
No, guys, mina sengine-ID. Asambe soba ama-street kids, sitshiye umalume endlini.
Ongwahlanya yini? Ngilocabanga ngayo.
Okay, shut up. Guys, let me speak. After spending hours with Auntie, I think we must find a girlfriend.
High five. Yeah. When are you the brains of this home?
Wow.
Sisiya. Umbona ngikucabangile lokho. Ngikucabangile lokho.
Ucabanga nini khona? Ucabanga nini sikhathi bani wena zami? Kodwa vele mbana ongafuni hlalo malume.
Hey, we'll pay the person bill.
Simple. And I mean, I can part with any amount of money.
No, guys, sengine-idea. Yazi, yangiqosa isigqoko zikaliya. Kodwa yana sengile wuthi. Yangiqosa isigqoko, ngimfake i-makeup. Ngingena umalume, bese libisa imali leyo ngapha.
Wena time wama-ideas wakho lokuhlala khani.
Kodwa Sisiya, mina guys, ngilamabhobhodlwana amachicha ama-cruint engingawabiza zothatha imali. I mean, ezothatha u-uncle usekasiqala.
But guys, we need attractive people, man. I was like, Uncle, never want a relationship.
Yes. Mina, I'm gonna call my friends. Ngafana.
Kodwa labo ukhona engimaziyo ogqoke isigqoko ne-makeup.
Okay, guys. Stage 1, compliment him. Left, right, center. Stage 2, keep the girls coming.
Indlalifa.
That was my favorite. Uncle Dewey.
Ufuna mntaka lapha? Ufuna? Sorry.
Madam, I was just telling you how handsome you are, Angie. Pet.
Nami ngiyazibuza konke athi sisingana hamba kubone kathi kuhamba njani.
Ndina abantwana. Ngangangumza kudala wami so. Yabona ngensuku zami.
Sayilo. Usastronga. Phela wena wasungasiphathe umalume wakhe.
Wena njalo mfu.
Izinto malume.
Ungaqeda lapha fanele wenza lelo zonke ole-street.
Buddha's James. Njani?
James futhi. Kanti uhlala.
Malume yini? Mina ngizitshela ukuthi ngo-James Bond khona. Ngifana no-James Bond malume ikakhulu lapha ngilesithi hasta la vista baby. James Bond.
Yeah, Terminator, man.
Wasule yinye soyentsha somalume elo James Bond lo Terminator sithiwa ngu-James Nator Bond. Iblind. Iblind.
Zama.
So uncle, you didn't tell us your age.
Huh? You never told. I'm going to tell you.
I just want to know.
When I got out here. Hey! Ah! Because I said, woman. You know, hey! Why not? Ah! You know, Puma! Puma! I got Puma! Right? Do something, man, something.
Shh, guys, that silence is empty.
Guys, you think one of it?
No, and sure.
Malume, have you seen my friends? Because they're my friends, Malume.
Nampu. Kat wala lagi. Ay, ang suga. Ah. Kako vela mo. Busan ko le. Ha?
Hey, uncle.
When? Kati. Naman. Kati busan.
Relax. Come on.
Yes, ako mo. Kati mundo. Kusan niyo.
Only a man may see.
Aku pera. Zangu fuzi mwingi milani tuti. Squint. Right. Okay, guys, the day is over. Let's forget about your attractive angle, right? We want to check on today's duties. Now, this one is Generous Cavity.
Welcome to the candy shop.
Yeah. So seductive. I take you to the candy shop. I let you the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop.
Yeah.
One taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got.
Come on.
Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
You can have it your way. How do you want it? You gon' back that thing up or should I push up on it? Temperature rising, okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor jam packed, hot as a tea kettle. I break it down for you now, baby, it's simple. If you be I'll be in the hotel or in the back of the rental, on the beach or in the park. It's whatever you into, got the magic stick. I'm the love doctor. How your friends teasing you about how I sprung, I got you. Wanna show me you can work it, baby? No problem, get on top, then get the bounce around.
Kamu ni tadi kau dah rasa kau tidak pakai singgit.
Live